ಮಾಡಿರೋರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಿರು ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಸಮಾರಂಭವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಸ್ತಿ ಸಂಘದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ followed by yoga Mahamuni Patanjali yoga upon spiritual then take a U-turn, then come back. Beautiful position. Neck flexibility, Hanumanasana, balancing posture. A beautiful combination of different abilities. The last position, the leg flexibility, Samakonasana, the 180 degrees split of the leg. Upavishwakonasana in the front and Balita Vrukshasana, the bending positions on the two sides. एक साथ नमस्ते, एक दो तीन चार. Yoga pyramid is followed by another interesting spectacular variety of yoga known as water, having a burning candle inside. Balancing this glass on the forehead, different yogic postures are performed. We have Kanishka, starting with Hasta Padangushthasana, 180 degree split of the legs, Hanumanasana. In this 2 minutes performance, without touching the glass on the forehead, she will even stand on her head for Shirshasana. Let's see this magic. Paschimottanasana, keeping the knees straight and touching the toes. And the meditative posture, Padmasana, raising the another balancing position, lifting the shoulders and the toes up, Naukasana. Lying on the back, for back arch, Chakrasana. Raising the whole weight of the body on the shoulders, the candle pose, Sarvangasana. Going back to another backward bending position known as Setu Bandhasana, a beautiful arch of the body. Touching the toes behind the head, that is Halasana, the pulao position. And from there she gets up for Shvanasana and glass on the forehead is vanished. Standing on the head, Ardha Shirshasana. A beautiful balance. Lovely. Well done. We move forward to another interesting variety of ancient Indian traditional on the ground. Here with 2 iron plates, they have kept it on the stage. And now they'll be performing different individual yogic postures and some pyramids on the pole in shortest time. एक साथ सलामी, एक कदम पीछे चल, बैठेंगे बैठ जाओ. The smallest of the lot, Hambi Rao, climbing the pole using the palm grip and the thigh grip, and a beautiful Bane Guruji Pakad. Sitting at the top, at the height of 8.5 feet above the ground, with a spectacular relaxing position, Praudhasana. Acute sense of balance, confidence and courage, Hanumantasana. And standing on the top, with ease and control, Shabash. It's followed by another small lad, Om Gharge. The forehead mount. It's interesting to see each and every part of the body being used on the pole. Firki, the twisting exercise. Sitting on the top with the leg on the shoulder, Ekapada Shirasana. And then raising the whole weight of the body on the palms, Chakorasana. Om is followed by the senior most Malkham performer, Sachin Madekar. He started learning Malkham at the age of 49 and now he's 54. So anybody of any age can learn Malkham. A beautiful shoulder plank. Sajid Dasram. Shabash. A beautiful abdominal balance. Lovely. And the lotus position, Padmasana. At the same time, balancing the weight of the partner. The best example of team spirit and coordination. Saurabh in the front. Samartha in the center. And Sachin and Shantanu on the two sides. And that's the final position of pyramid on the pole. Shabash. Down. कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. शाबाश. And now all the boys and girls collectively perform one pyramid on the pole. एक साथ नमस्ते. 1 2 3 4. एक. कम से कम समय में, कम से कम जगह पर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पार्ट्स को मैक्सिमम एक्सरसाइज देने वाला दुनिया में एकमात्र प्रकार है मल्लखांब. Sahil on the top, Hambi Rao on his shoulders. Upashi and Arya on the two sides. Sachin in the front, Samartha Patil in the center, Shantanu and Saurav on the two sides. Om in the position of Shirshasana, and that's the final position of pyramid on the pole by the 6 girls and 7 boys from Shri Samartha Vyayam Mandir. Down. ek. And we conclude today's demonstration with rope Malkham. मुलीला इकडे उभ्या राहून त्यांना फोटो काढायचा पुढच्या बाजूला मग सारखी ही लाईन एक साथ हाँ एक साथ नमस्ते The last part of today's demonstration is rope Malkham, a simple cotton rope suspended from the top. Different acrobatic postures and beauty postures are performed by the girls of Sri Samarth. ಮೇಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ವಿಭಾಗದ ರೆಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ ಜಾನವಿ ಕಲರ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ ನಿಹಾರಿಕಾ ಹಾಗೆ ರಾಧಿಕಾ ಕಲರ್ ರೆಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ ಜಾನವಿ ಕಲರ್
This is WhatsApp number, you can share all the details, sir. Hello, you are not audible.
80 kg ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ 5 ನಂದನ್ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಹಾಗೂ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇದಾದ ನಂತರ ಶರತ್ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಚಿನ್ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಗಳನ್ನು ಆಡುವಂತ ಅವಕಾಶ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಕುಸ್ತಿಪಟುಗಳು ಸಹ ನೀವು ಆಡುವಂತ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ತದನಂತರ ನಾವು ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ತಗೋತಾರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಿಜಯಶಾಲಿ ಅಂತ ಘೋಷಿಸ್ತೇವೆ.
Hey, Shiva Patil.